In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a birth certificate. To get started, open your browser and go to the PSA Servilis website. This is where you can request official PSA certificates online, so make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. Once the homepage loads, look for the birth certificate option and click it. This will take you to the section specifically meant for birth certificate requests, which helps make sure you're filling out the right form from the beginning. Next, you'll be asked to choose your preferred method for receiving the PSA certificate. Take a moment to review the available delivery or receiving options and select the one that works best for your situation. Choosing the right method here is important because it affects how you'll receive your document later on. After that, click Request Now to begin the application process. You'll then be taken to the terms and conditions page. Read through the information carefully, then check the box to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. After that, read the data privacy notice as well and check that box too. These confirmations are required before you can move forward, so make sure both are selected. Once you've done that, click Next. At this point, the site will ask you to confirm whether the displayed details are correct. Review everything carefully before proceeding. This is a good time to slow down and double check what's on screen, because even a small mistake in your information can cause delays in processing your request. If everything looks accurate, click Next. You'll now be asked to enter the requester's details. Fill in the required information carefully and make sure everything matches your valid records as closely as possible. Accuracy is especially important when requesting official documents. After entering the requester's details, continue by filling out the remaining required sections. This includes the certificate details, the parent's details, the place of birth, the purpose of the request, and the delivery address. Once those sections are complete, review the summary page carefully. This final review helps you catch any errors before submitting. After reviewing the summary, proceed through the acknowledgement section and then complete the payment step. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions closely so your request is submitted successfully. And that's it. Once your payment is confirmed, your birth certificate request will be processed based on the details you provided and the delivery method you selected. As a final tip, keep a copy of your reference or transaction details in case you need to track your request later.